Welcome to this brief tutorial launching a webinar using Cisco WebEx Training Room. This is sponsored by the Center for Health and Behavioral Training of the University of Rochester. Our website is www.chbt.org. Several days before this session, you should have received an invitation email similar to the one below, listing the topic, the date, time, and time zone, the session number, and the session password. Below that, you will note the instructions for joining the training session. When you first receive this email, it would be a good idea to go ahead and click on the link. This may be done at any time, days or weeks before the start of your session. I want you to the CHBT homepage at webex.com and the session information for the session you have registered for. It would be a good idea to review this information carefully, scrolling down the page until you reach the course material section of the page. At the course material, you will notice that there may be links for handouts that are available that will pertain to the content you will be utilizing during this session. You may right-click on each of the links, choose Save Link As, and then choose a place on your desktop or in your libraries to make those available to you at a later time. On the day of the training, you will want to use this link again to launch yourself to this session information page. When you reach the session information page, you should try to do so 10 to 15 minutes before the start time. If this is the first time you are attending an event using Cisco WebEx, your computer may need to do some checks and download some software. When you receive those messages, you will always accept any messages that are given on the screen and allow any security privileges that it is asking for. After that is done, you may now enter your name, followed by your email address. Your session password should be populated already. If it is not, you may obtain that information back in your original email. Then click on the Join Now button. A variety of different screens may appear, including those I mentioned about security and downloading software. If the instructor has already logged in, the Session in Progress window will appear, a connecting dialog box, and then it is possible that a WebEx greeting page will appear. Some important information on this greeting page are the CHBT telephone number and the WebEx customer support telephone number. CHB cannot provide technical support for the WebEx portion of this conference or the telephone portion, so if you are having difficulties, you will need to call WebEx customer support. You may also need to call your help desk at your organization, as they may be able to assist you in the process. The next step is to decide how you are going to connect to the audio portion of the conference, and that is done in the audio conference dialog box. You may choose to use your phone to dial in, or you may choose to use your computer for audio if you have speakers, a headset, and a microphone. If you choose to use your telephone, you will choose I will call in, where you will be presented with the toll-free number, the access code for this session, and the attendee ID. Once you have successfully dialed in, the audio dialog box will disappear and your WebEx window will be launched. If by chance that is not launched, you will notice that on your Windows taskbar there it will be a blue and green globe, which is the WebEx icon. You may click on that to bring that window to the forefront. Now that you have entered the WebEx Training Center, you will be ready to participate in our conference